Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add gallery to your Google Sites website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is gallery. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. When you're gonna log in, you will be here in applications, and in search you just want to write gallery. And you're gonna see it here, photo gallery. Let's create a widget. Right, you have option between product, seller, wedding. And here, like, I don't know, I like this one here. So continue with the template. Now you just upload those images here. You can really choose which template you like. Then change the layout. You can go like vertical masonry, this is good too. And settings, like open image in pop-up, and then just click save. Also style, the colors and stuff like that. When you're gonna click save, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. When you got it, there is one thing you need to do, is just click insert and empt code. Empt code, just paste it here, next, and insert. And voila, you got here perfect gallery, right? But it depends like how large you want it and how many pictures you're gonna have here. So this is how you can add a gallery in Google Sites. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.